What is up, guys? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the real reasons that people are failing with their Shopify dropshipping stores. All right, so one thing that some people don't really know about me and kind of just assume, and I realize this when I speak to students and they tell me this, is that I kind of just think when I started out, it just instantly clicked. And let me tell you right now, that is not the case whatsoever. They also think that, I have multiple stores and I've had multiple stores, and they kind of think that every single store I've done personally was a success. And the truth behind that is that's actually not. I've had so many stores that just didn't work, that failed, that the products didn't sell or something didn't work. I mean, when I was first starting out, I couldn't even get my first sale for about a month. And that is one person people don't realize, and they kind of just assume that, everything I've done and do still just instantly works like that. Let me tell you something. That is not how this game works. It's not how anything in life works, for that fact. If you're diving into something, if you're getting started with any sort of business, there are going to be some failures and there are going to be some successes. It's just that you really want to take the time to find out what actually works. So what I see, people doing a lot of the time is investing a lot of their, time and effort into actually learning everything that's going on, but not doing. And what I usually say is that, if a lot of people, I used to watch a lot of videos about, working out. I used to watch a lot of videos about workout routines and, how to get bigger biceps and, how to grow chest, all that. But the thing is that if I didn't actually go to the gym, if I didn't actually go there and work out those muscles, just because I know the proper way to do a bicep curl, if I'm not actually doing it, then I'm not going to see any sort of results. It's just not going to happen. If you go and you watch all these videos on dropshipping and you really take in a lot of this knowledge, maybe you get a course, but now you're not actually doing it, or you do it once, it doesn't work, and then you stop, you aren't going to see any results. And that's what a lot of people not really understand subconsciously, is that, you could watch all these videos all day long, you could watch another 20 freaking videos, but are you actually doing anything? Are you actually really getting started in it? Are you actually really testing these ads? Are you actually really making these sales? Are you actually really putting the time and effort into yourself as a brand, as your store, rather than just investing your time into learning more and more new knowledge? And that's one thing that I see a lot of people do, and it's kind of the reason that they fail. Now, the other reason I see a lot of people fail is because they're not testing their products correctly. So what people do is, they get on, they had a product, they test it, and it doesn't work, and now they don't know what to do. It's all about testing. That's what this game is all about. It's all about testing not only the product, not only the niche you're in, not only the store, not only the theme, but the ads. It's about testing everything. You have to test Facebook ads. You have to test influencer ads. You have to test a bunch of Facebook ads. You have to do A/B testing with Facebook ads, and you have to do some, testing between different influencers, and you have to see what works and what doesn't. It's basically a process of elimination is what it really is. If you try something, don't work, cross it out, try something else. Cross it out. Try something else, it doesn't work, cross it out. Try something else, cross it out. What you'll see is you'll find that one thing that does work, that combination of things that flow together when they align and they do work. What you don't want to do is try something for 12 hours and say it doesn't work, cross it out. No. You don't want to open up a store, spend a week on, really building this store, or try an ads for about a week and it doesn't work, and say this store doesn't work, cross it out. That's not what I mean. So do not take it the wrong way. What I mean is that you're trying an ad and in 48 hours you're not getting those add to carts that you're looking for, those link clicks that you're looking for, kill it. Try a different ad. Try a different ad though. You have something that is working, and don't just rely on that one ad working or that one influencer working. Continue to seek essential backups or things that'll help scale the business before you just say, okay, I'm done, I have everything that works. It's a constant testing game, and it really is. It's constantly finding what's going to work, what's going to be new, how you're going to do it, what you're going to do with it, and so on and so forth. And, I could basically say that those are the main reasons that people fail with dropshipping. That is the main reason that you might not be seeing the success that you're looking for. And the only way to to make that different is to combat it, to make sure that you are putting in the effort, you are working out those muscles, all right, and that you are making some progress every single day. Set goals. Set a different goal every day. Tomorrow I'm going to do X, Y, and Z. My plan for by the end of the week is that I'm going to have, 100 add to carts. Don't even focus on the end game. You have to focus on the steps, right? The small steps, the micro steps to get to that end game, to get to those 50 sales a week, 100 sales a week, $4,000 a week, $5,000 a week, and so on and so forth. And that's my word of advice. That's what you could do to kind of change this up and how you won't fail at dropshipping. If you keep trying, you won't fail. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you liked this video, please be sure to like it below and subscribe. We're really trying to put out as much freaking content as I can for you guys. Also comment if you guys have any questions or if you have any topics that you would like me to cover in the next video.